and I believe I've got one DVR for the 4th monitor. And those ports will update to the new IP address, and then theoretically Hi guys, AJ from Home Networks, and now today's video is a little bit different. We're doing a CCTV system install for a customer, so I thought I'd just record bits and pieces of footage and make a video about it to show you guys the process on how we do it. Please let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the installation. So we just had to drill this hole a bit bigger to feed these cables through. And now hopefully let's just feed these through and it all should work. Now we can absolutely see what we're doing. Made it to the end of this video, thank you very much. I know this video was a different type of video than my other videos on the channel, but this is what we do as a side hustle here at Home Networks. So I just thought to record some footage and just show you the process on how to install a CCTV system. And if you like these types of videos, let me know and I will record more and more on-site jobs. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.